G'day trendsetters, I'm back up here with the little blueberry that I treated about 6-7 weeks ago. I was supposed to come back in a month, but it's been raining and all sorts of things have been going on. But I'm happy to say I'm quite relieved at how well it has responded. There's some beautiful little bits of new growth coming out all over it. It hasn't done this since I planted it, so it's obviously responded to the application of the liquid sulfur that we put on last time. I've got a few little flower buds here, so maybe with a bit of luck I might even get a small feed of blueberries later on in the year. But I just did a pH test and it hasn't quite lowered it enough. It's lowered it about half a step, so it was, I think it was 6.5. Now it comes in about 6, and the blueberries like a pH range in on the acid side of things between 4 and 5.5. So I'm hoping with one more application I can drop the pH down to 5.5, which should be at the top of the range of the pH for the blueberry. But I'll also run down to the local nursery a bit later on and I'll grab a couple of bags of actually bagged cow manure, because I can't get it locally or fresh. And I think because of COVID, I don't think I can get sheep manure over the border anymore either. So I'll get a couple of bags of cow manure and I'll pick up a bag of who-flung dung as well, and I'll give this a really good mulch with who-flung dung. Leave it for another 6 weeks, come back and do another test and see how we're traveling. So that's just an update on my blueberry, which I'm happy to say is responding, and I'm so sorry that I left it so long to actually treat what I thought the problem was, but stubbornly refused. So that's it. I'll just add the, I've mixed 60 mils of the sulfur, liquid sulfur, in 2 or 3 litres of water. I'll throw that on, then I'll grab the hose and I'll give it a really good drink and wash it into the soil and root zone, which is where we really want it to do its thing. I hope this has been useful. If you've got a blueberry that's struggling at home, you know, check the pH. They clearly, obviously like it really acid. I can't believe a plant would even grow in a soil that acid. But anyhow, proof is in the pudding, or is the proof in the eating? Either one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Helps keeping this channel going, which is what I really want. Hope you've enjoyed it, and cheers and bye for now.